Ito ay nagsimula, na-approve ito noong July ng 2022. Nagsimula ito ng 2023, early 2023.
Late 2023.
I'm sorry, late 2023 kasi mga approval. At ngayon ay tapos na. Natulungan naman tayo ng ating mga Chinese na contractor dahil ang ganda ng technology nila. This is one of the four major projects that our legacy projects that we will be finishing in Davao and its environs. So nakatapos na tayo, marami na tayong nabuksan na section dito. And this will be now another major part of this bypass road. So I'm congratulating the DPWH for their good attention to this matter, and lahat ng nagtrabaho rito, congratulations. At we're looking forward to December 15 kung kailan meron ng dadaan na traffic dito.